iPhone 12 Pro. And obviously it's already open. So this is it, and I already got all of the stuff. I already ordered my tempered glass. It's another phone case. Gosh, look at that cute. Here it shows you like the little icons for the buttons. We're gonna set this aside. This comes in with the cable, and then okay. Anyway, so yeah, it just comes with that. And here I have the tempered glass. How do you even open this? This nail is gonna fall off. So it comes with this. I will link everything down in the description box. Oh, and then this is for the camera. This one. Wet wipe. Now this is the case that I got. I'm going to link her Instagram down below. And cases, and I chose this one. There it is. And look at her. How cute is she? There it is. Okay, so I'm gonna move. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, Face ID. Ay, estoy bien feo ahorita. So no. So this whole process of setting up my phone was not easy at all. Like, it literally took me 2 or 3 days to set it up. Like, it was so complicated. I tried signing into my Apple ID and it wouldn't let me. And then I tried signing into like the iCloud and it wouldn't let me, dude. Like, it was crazy. It was just like, I think it was like the amount of storage I had on my old phone, because it was 128 gigabytes, and I had like, that thing was like at its full capacity. So I don't know what went on there, but the process was just so complicated and so frustrating. Like, I never want to go through that again. I mean, overall, I'm happy, you know, but I had to start the phone as a new iPhone, so like none of my apps transferred onto the phone. I had to re-download like every app I had and sign into them again. It was just such a mess, but we are here now, so that's good. Anyways, this isn't the proper outro that I wanted, but it's something, and I just want to let you guys know that I'll be doing a what's on my iPhone maybe in a week or 2, and if you'd like to subscribe, you can, obviously, you know. If you guys have any questions, please make sure to ask them down below. I'm going to try to link everything down below as well, and thank you so much for watching.